All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of an awesomely located Cambridge 2-bed on Mass Ave. We're just up the street from tons of like great restaurants and cafes and bars and whatnot. They are in the middle of doing some light renovations to this unit. This is one of the bedrooms. There's a closet right there, good sized closet. All right, some shelves. Pretty good view, even on a overcast or cloudy, snowy Boston day. Back into the foyer. Let's check out what's going on here. Little closet right there. Second bedroom, actually quite a bit larger than the first bedroom. Some nice views. All right. And there's a closet. There we go. All right. Into the living room slash kitchen, open concept. We've got a built-in hutch, some shelves, drawers. Got a breakfast counter, sink, the fridge. As I said, they are doing some light renovation, so just some deep cleaning going on right here. But it will be ready for when you move in. Whoop! Sorry about that. Electric stove. This is an egress. Okay. Emergency exit. We got another closet over here. And a couple of windows facing the building next door. Okay. All right. And that concludes our video walkthrough. Hope you enjoyed it. My name is Angel. You can reach out to me if you have any questions. There is laundry in the basement. So, yeah, if you have any questions, ask away. Hope you have a good one.